Look what showed up on my doorstep today, the KW Clubsport Coilovers. As you can see, they took quite a beating on the trip from Germany. KW, would be nice if you double box these in a plain brown box, not only for added protection, but so that everyone doesn't see what I got sitting on my doorstep. I ordered these from springrace.com. Sean Taylor answered all my questions, gave me a great price, and got them to me quickly. Thank you, Sean. He was also kind enough to include the rear adjustment extenders for rebound, which unfortunately do not come with the Clubsport kit. Here is everything out of the box, looking pretty good. Your toolkit. There's your rebound adjustment knob. They only include one of these. I'd like to see more than one. I ordered some extras off of eBay. It's a nice purple anodized piece. Your spanner wrenches for the rear and front. And there's just not room to get that wrench up in there to adjust on the rears on this application. But you got them. And your Allen key for adjusting compression. I'd like to see a knob on the strut and shock instead of that little Allen key, but that's what you get with this kit, all in this nice little box. And here are your rebound adjustment extenders for the rear. I may have ordered the ones that are too short for this application. We'll have to see if we can make them work. They do offer longer ones. And again, it would be nice if these were included with the Clubsport kit. To adjust rebound in the front, you insert the knob into the top of the strut, turn clockwise to increase rebound, counterclockwise to decrease. To adjust compression is at the bottom, behind this little seal. You simply slide it out of the way to gain access to the adjuster. Now here's where I was talking about I'd like to see a knob made onto that adjuster instead of having to use this little Allen key. It's just something else to keep up with. But that's what we've got. You insert it into one of the holes, rotate it clockwise to increase compression, counterclockwise to decrease. There's your external reservoir, stainless steel threaded body, springs, helper springs, anodized aluminum top mounts. Good looking stuff. And here are your rear adjusters. They mount at the top between the spring and the body, but there's really not enough room to gain access on these vehicles to do this on the car. But it is a nice piece. And the springs with the Clubsport kit are progressive. They are a beefy looking spring. As you can see, they're a conical or beehive shaped. The big end goes to the top and the small end sits in the stock rubber mount at the bottom. There's your rear shock, stainless steel body, external reservoir, just like the front. To adjust rebound, you attach your extender to the top of the shock. There's a little set screw that's supposed to hold it in place. Same thing, clockwise to increase, counterclockwise to decrease. And there's that tiny little set screw. Adjust compression. It's just like the front. Slide the little seal out of the way to gain access to the adjuster. Take your little Allen key, insert it into one of the holes, and adjust away. And just like the front, here's where a dial actually made onto the shock would be preferred over this Allen key method. But that's what we got. All in all, good looking stuff from KW.